Boy, you can smell those elk. Bigger than shit, man. I'll tell you what, as strong as you can smell it, there's some out here somewhere pretty close.
They're around us.
Yeah, they're around here close. Well, it's a pretty trail through here. Very cool.
Pork jerky is cheaper.
Between the two of us, we should have enough food because I've got a whole bag of the beef stuff too. I like that pork jerky. That stuff's good.
Never tried it. It was cheaper than beef jerky, so
We buy that quite a bit. It's actually really good stuff. All right, we're 3 miles in, and here's the first climb we're getting ready to make. Alright, we're still heading to Baldy. First time I can actually talk because the wind's not blowing 90 miles an hour, but we'll see. I'll kind of see if we zoom in and keep it focused or not. Right over there is Baldy. We're getting ready to go up the Sister Peaks ridgeline here. This is what we're heading through here, this way. Said we're in one of the few moments we don't have a wind howling. One more view of Baldy over there. Swirl around this way. See the Edith Ridge line. There. Boy, you can see that blowing off the top. You can just tell that's cold. Wow.
Well, by the time we get up there, we're going to be sweating so bad.
We'll be ready for it.
Yeah.
Keep this thing steady long enough. There we go. Hard to hold still.